name is Liam. I am in 6th grade. We are making these lights to send them off to Malawi. They're studying a lot because at the end of the year, they have to take this huge test, and if they don't pass the test, they just can't learn anymore.
My name's Kathy Schroedl, and I'm a 6th grade science teacher here at Severance Middle School. So 30 years ago, I got the opportunity to go and visit my sister, who was a Peace Corps volunteer in Malawi. They had electricity for about 8 hours a day. At the end of 8 hours, the lights went out, and then we had to use candlelight. Just kind of started thinking at that point how disruptive that had to be to live a life without electricity. And that was when we had electricity for 8 hours.
I am Sam Taggart, Strategic Communications Director at Boulder Valley REA. Boulder Valley REA is a local electric cooperative that serves about 55,000 homes and businesses in northern Colorado. So one of our core principles is concern for community. It's a big part of what we do here at Boulder Valley REA. Everything we do is rooted in our community, is very member-focused. We live and work right here, so it's important that we support those in our communities. So we're really proud to support projects like Kathy's at Severance Middle School, where they're helping communities across the globe. They're building solar lanterns for communities in need to provide lighting for students who are taking big exams.
My name is Nabil Nieto, and I'm in 6th grade. I wanted to join because I feel like I want to help the kids in Malawi too.
You don't really have electricity in Malawi, so they do everything by candlelight. So we're making them these so they can study a lot more and hopefully pass that test.
These lanterns are specifically going to a school in Malawi. The school has no electricity. None of the people at the school have any access to electricity. It's about 3,000 students. Students don't get education like we do here. They do have to pay for it. But not only do they have to pay for it, they have to pass tests every step of the way in order to be able to stay in school. At the end of their 8th grade year, there's a very significant test. So there's a lot of independent studying that has to happen.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
So my name is Jeremiah Aiden Rivera, and I'm in grade 6. Doing a project like this would also definitely make me want to do another project like this in the future.
The hardest thing about any kind of STEM curriculum or STEM process is it costs money.
The Empower Grants provide funding to teachers throughout Larimer, Weld, and Boulder counties. Teachers are awarded up to $2,000 per classroom project per year.
The grant process was really easy. And it was a really straightforward process, and I feel really honored to have been awarded.
As a power provider, electricity touches everyone. Everyone needs electricity, especially in today's age, right? But what makes us different is we're a local power provider. We're your local co-op. I think that's a bit different because we're built by and for our members. So we are your friends, your families, your neighbors. You're seeing us in the streets, at ball games, at school functions, church events. Those kind of community engagements is what being a co-op and being a cooperative member is really all about. So these kids get the opportunity to not only do some good here locally, but also, maybe all the way out across the ocean, maybe all the way out in Africa, which is pretty neat.
One of my favorite things is when kids make mistakes on the boards and they have to fix them and they have to learn something. And that's where they get to be really proud, because it's great when it works the first time, but when it doesn't work and they have to figure it out, that's really where the power comes from. And that's where they learn, oh, I can do anything that I try.
What's exciting is that I'm able to help send lanterns to kids who need it, and also making the lanterns are just fun, Be able to help all of these students help is just fun, and I also get to be a hero, kind of.